Okay, what is an equation of a line? Well, that's a great question. What can be written in the form like this: y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is going to be where it crosses the y-axis, meaning your point is that the x value is 0 to be 0 something. It's just where it crosses the y-axis. That's all the y-intercept means, is where does it cross the y-axis. Well, let's look at that. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to learn to graph given an equation like this here. Well, let's think about it. We know that the b is the y-intercept. Basically, that's the point 0, 4. It's the point 0, 4. So and we have a slope of m, which would be 2 over 1. Because if I just have 2, that means the slope's really 2 over 1. And let's graph it. My point is at 0, 4. So let's put a dot here at 0, 4. And just like we did before, my slope is what? 2 over 1? So let's go over 1 and up 2. Put another dot. And I could do that again. And basically just what? Connect the dots. I graph the line. Notice the y-intercept is at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 4. 0, 4. And then it went up 2 over 1. Hey, wait a minute. Isn't this just what we did in those other problems? It sure is. But we're taking this information from right here. So let's look at 6. So what would b be on 6? Well, b is going to be that negative 3, meaning it's the point what? 0, negative 3. And what's my slope? My slope will be basically negative 3 over 2. So to graph it, let's put a dot at 0, negative 3. Whoa. And now I'm going to go over 2 and down 3, put another dot. And I can do that again. Connect the dots and graph the line. Oh, I can graph that easy? Just by looking at these numbers right here? That's it. That's how easy it is. Oh, Coach Stoney, there's no b. Now, wait a minute. Wouldn't it be plus 0? Yeah, that's right, it would. So really my b is at 0, 0, even though there was nothing there. You don't have to write the plus 0, but I wrote the plus 0 so make it easy to see. And my slope will be what? Remember, it's that negative 4, so it'll be negative 4 over 1, because I need to rise over a run. So I'll simply put a dot at the origin, 0, 0. And now I'm going to go over 1 and down 4, connect the dots, and I can do it again. Connect those dots, and I graph the line. That's really the graph of y equals negative 4x. Don't have to have the plus 0, but I added the 0 just to make it easier to see the starting point. Okay, Coach Tony, I think I got it. So basically the y-intercept on this one's going to be at the 0, negative 4. That's right. And my slope will be just the 5/3, 5 over 3. So I'm going to put a dot at 0, negative 4. I'm going to go over 3 and up 5, connect the dots. I can do it again. Over 3 and another 5, connect the dots, draw the line. I think I got this. I'm ready to go. All right. So what have we learned? We learned the y-intercept is the b value, and that's where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, yeah. We learned that m is the slope, and it's rise over run. Yeah, okay, that's the y's over the x's. And we can graph by plotting the y-intercept and then use the slope to find a second or third point to graph those lines. By using that y-intercept, we put a dot, use those slopes. Woo! Easy peasy way to graph. Hey, thanks, Coach Tony.